Keep going. All right, scoot over there. Hold back.
Ow, my eye. Mark. Ow.
Come on, Brad.
Two.
This is just like the mountain goat trail. You need to kind of step up here so you can see.
Hold on now. I need to find a way so she can get over this.
Yeah.
There's that way. There. There he is. Right there. I think this is your place.
Yeah.
All right, Kira, come on.
Oh yeah, I'm not climbing through up there. Get back over here.
You all right?
Did you just go down there?
Yeah.
It was voluntary accident.
Both. You all right? Yeah.
It's very, very deep.
One hell of a climb to get back up. Here, I really do want to go.
You know, I bet it'd be cool to be off in here when it's raining. All the little waterfalls and stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm thinking about it. How, if it flooded down here.
This is gonna be the best way. I really doubt this other flash flood will be bad. We're more toward the crest than down.
Mark, you okay?
But I think you have a whole
Mark.
little
Yeah.
dribbling
You okay?
waterfalls off there, like a roof, be kind of cool down there.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Into this cave.
Careful, those rocks are still
Slippery.
sandy, slippery.
And we're inside of a cave. Oh crap.
Dad, you okay?
I'm good, don't worry about me. Go. You focus on you. I said rock climbing, not cave diving.
It's called spelunking.
Spelunking. Yeah.
I've always wanted to, now I can say I have.
What?
Splunk.
Spelunking?
Dad, come on.
I'm coming.
There's got to be a way out somewhere, because
People have been out here.
Oh, Dad, look at that. Mark.
yeah. What you got?
Keep going, baby. We're good.
That says sucked.
We're way deep in it.
Not bad. That's better. You're getting there.
Only if there's more space over here.
Sit back and relax for just a second, okay? Calm your breath down a little bit. Now look at me. Are you catching your breath? See, look at that, girl. You have figured it out.
Well, there wasn't any foothold, so.
Keep going. Okay. Hey, look at me. Hey, you did it. Good job. Here, hold the camera.